Welcome everybody. Let's get right to it. Welcome back everybody. Today we have to discuss Beyond Meat because it starts squeezing since yesterday on Friday. Before we go further, guys, remember our content here for educational purposes only. So we got a few stocks to watch. For one of them is PLRZ, but Beyond Meat, guys, 36% last Monday. We have the squeeze started. We did the warning on our Discord. Once we have this breakout on Wednesday, and Monday we have the squeeze here. So Monday was great play, guys. Around 7:30, yes, we got halted up. And now trying again. Welcome everybody. Welcome. Yes, go. Yes, we are back. We are back. Let's go. Today should be the day. Today should be the day. It's kind of interesting because it pumped once I stopped trading. It's crazy. I waited almost 1 month for this squeeze and happened yesterday. Once I took time off yesterday. This is always the case in trading. Once you stop looking on one stock, it starts to squeeze. But yeah, we anticipated this jump from last week, and now getting near a new resistance around the 174 that we should test for today. Good morning, John. How you doing? First, James Bond is here. Good morning. Smash the like button exactly and drink your tea. Don't forget to drink your tea and smash the like button. Bonjour, George. Beyond Meat has increased to 98 million shares, 22%, despite their effort. They haven't been able to suppress. Interesting. Short on Beyond Meat has increased. They're still betting on another dip down. This is normal. That's why we had a nice jump here from the bottom. We did 65%, guys. 65% in span is a few days. Nice jump, from my opinion. And at my broker, they closed the sell option, just only buy, so it's kind of good. So there's some brokers closing the option for selling in Europe. Yeah, PLRZ have reverse split today. We got huge jump for it. I'm watching for the $8 break because the $8 should be the breakout zone for it. So we got today BLRZ, guys, looking great with Beyond Meat. Those the two top unicorn, and maybe FTEL if it held $1.50. TAOP put back a lot, so might be great later. MDP still squeezing up after the good earnings. This one, it's not a unicorn, but a good swing play for today after the great earnings. Open is pulling back. We kind of have a fake out here yesterday and Friday, and then we went down 10%. A fake out for open. Yeah, we didn't hold. Robai, you see, is 3,000% up, but is not, guys. It's just reverse split. TRY the same, is reverse split. We got 1 to 10. That's why it's almost around the 10 for TRY. But it's heavily diluted, guys. TRY is currently heavily diluted, so I don't trust it here. Yeah, Beyond Meat is pulling back a little bit. Yeah, so we got Beyond Meat, PLRZ, and FTEL. Those the one that look great for today, guys. Look fantastic for today. Let's see how much we can do for this one. 20%, yeah, not bad here. No worrying. The profit taken around the 273. Yeah, it looked okay here. So BYND, guys, as we said, the resistance was around the 150. That's why today in the pre-market or Tuesday we already have the test here in the pre-market, but the price didn't break in the pre-market. So the main resistance now is the 174, and the current support that we should watch out for at the market open if we don't want to have a big seller down is the 123. And yesterday, yes, we got halted around the 108, or on the Monday, yes, Monday around 7 for the market close. Z blurry, you entered for BRZ around 360 and exited around the 4, and right now is around almost the 8. So yeah, you could have doubled your money, but it's not bad, brother, that you took from $3.60, let's see, until 4. Yeah, you took just 11%. You could have did 100%. So this is one of the things that you should learn, which is training stop. Good, guys, example right now for Z blurry. One of our hunter here, he said he just entered around the 360 and exited around the 4, and he feeling FOMO right now because he just took 10% instead 100%. So many of you asking how we could prevent that from happening and not losing the chance to double or triple our money by not exiting very early. First of all, you could do a training stop and never exit. So if you entered around the 360, let me just show you around the $3.60. And the first entry was around $3.60 and you exited around the 4. You see, in the beginning, we don't have any pullback on the 1 minute chart. So you don't have to exit if we don't have any pullback. You consider exiting after we have a bit of red or a huge pullback down, because here we don't have any pullback. So you're right. And the train stop works as like this. You just put it around the first pullback here, around the 473, and you don't exit. Because let me just go like this. And for example, if you entered around $3.60, and now we have the 4, almost the 5, and we pull back around the $4.60, you don't have to exit even around this pullback, and you just wait. Because if we don't pull back below the 4, you could hold over the $3.67 and price go around the 6, and now pulling back. So you don't have to exit unless the price break the $4.67. So let me just show you. The price go down 549, 535, 550, 527. You see, and the price didn't test the 467, so you hold. Then we have a breakout around the 607. The price still hold. Now testing the 782, still hold the 607, still hold. So you don't have to exit even now. So if you entered around the $3.06, you do the first trailing stop, second trailing stop. So if the price broke the $6.07, yes, you exit here. And let me just calculate how much you exit. And instead of exiting 10% without trailing stop, if you have trailing stop, you protecting 67%. So even if the price go down, you're still up 67%, not 10%. You see, this is the advantage of trailing stop, not exiting early and maximize your profit, because you can't get 100% every time. So why are you wasting a good opportunity to have 60% or 100%? Because one trade, it can actually wipe all the losses if you do this kind of strategy. But if you just take 10% and exit, and then you enter another trade, and the the next trade you exit with the 10% loss, you end up nothing. Like in the end of the month, you end up in red even. So if you have just one trade with train stop getting 60 or 100%, it protect your from actually having red month or even red year. So this is how you should prevent this from happening next time. He said, Lori, you are welcome. But don't feel angry. It happened to me, man. And the train stop, from my opinion, is the hardest things to master in trading. Because if you master this strategy, you're gonna be in huge green in your portfolio at the end of the year. Because as I said, you can't be 100% correct every trade. So you have to have a mini trade that give you like negative or take a bit of money from you. So you have to focus on maximize your gain or staying in the game and do train stop instead. But yeah, you did great, man. 10% is not bad. 10%, even people waiting 1 year to get 10%. Just think about that. 10% even 1 year is good, not in one trade. So don't compare. Don't compare. Comparing is the thief of joy. Just remember that. Anyway, good morning, Sally. Good morning. So, guys, we have 2 minutes, so don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. And as a reminder, yesterday we took time off because of Thanksgiving. And what happened? Beyond Meat just squeeze while we took time off. But we're ready to talk about Beyond Meat. If you don't forget, guys, we talked about live streaming, and the last video that we did on Wednesday, we said the squeeze has started because the breakout happened around the 90 cents. So hopefully you saw our update. If you didn't see it, you can join our Discord where we do a major update for our hunter. Today we did the update for Beyond Meat, and every day we do watch lists for our hunters to be ready to enter for these dips, because it happened once. If you miss it, you actually gone. You can have this opportunity again. So we always discuss those opportunity, of course, on our Discord and Patreon. The link in comment section below, guys, if you want to join our hunter channel where we do update in pre-market and of course during the market open. So right now we have 1 minute left, guys, or 30 seconds or 10 seconds left. We watching FTEL, guys, on the market open. $2 is the breakout. Watch out for the 240, because if we broke it, we're gonna have a squeeze up. And 270 Beyond Meat, the same. Watch out for the 123 support. PLRZ, watch out for the $6 and the $8 breakout. Those are the main stocks for today. The rest I will be on the sideline to see if we're gonna have opportunity. B looking interesting here, 4% up. Mara 3% up, did a nice reversal last week. We might have a reversal here. Nvidia the same. Tesla. So APLD is a bit dangerous because it already reversed a lot. I'm watching for a little pullback down for entry, but for now I will be on the sideline, I think. Let's see how much we could pull back here. 10%. Yeah, maybe I will be interested to buy January what? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna put alert for APLD. Don't forget about it. The market is in a bit of green here. Anyway, PLRZ didn't break the resistance yet. The Beyond Meat pulling back at the market open. Watch out for the support, as we said. $1.23, guys, should be the support that we have to watch out for. FTEL the same. $2 is the current resistance to break, and PLRZ didn't break the resistance yet around the $8. Yes, this is the level. Karina 19, yes, Discipline Hunter already sold out, but you can choose the king level and then downgrade once the availability open again. But Discipline Hunter, it was open before, but now it's full. But as I said, you can join the king, and then the next month you can downgrade. I will try to make sure to notify you by that if you like, because in Patreon you can downgrade at any moment if you like. B John, I will check it for you right now. B, yes, looking great, brother. Looking great, B. APLD 3% right now. B, we have big seller around the 118.36. Current support for B, my brother, is around the 85. Yeah, so watch out for the 85 as a nice support to hold, and 118.36 is this resistance and profit taken. BLRZ, nothing much, didn't break the 8. Beyond Meat is pulling back down. FTEL need to break the 2.04. MDB, yeah, had earnings, but not for now. Open is going up a bit. Checking the market, guys, if we got heading gems. BRZ still number one. EB, I think, is offering, not good for play. Going back to the main list, yeah, we don't have a lot of stocks for today. And BLRZ used all the fuel early on in the pre-market, not now. Beyond Meat is pulling back now, is in red, but as we said, the $1.23, $1.08, as long as we hold here, we don't gonna have a sell out. Instead, we might have a huge reversal up. FTEL, we need to break the 2 to go toward the 240, but now nothing. So we don't have any action yet from the market. George, you asked me about Bitcoin. I didn't do the update, I just forgot it. Yeah, Bitcoin looking all right now. It reversed up a bit, but there's a big seller around 93. The best dip is around 74. The same for Ethereum. Big seller is around the 3,250. The good dip is the 2,200. But nothing changed. There's no big buyer for them right now. Yeah, Beyond Meat have a huge dip, guys, for now. $1.23. We'll see if we hold the $1.23, because if we held it, we might have a reversal. B, we have a big buyer for B. Unusual big buyer. Let's see here. Yeah, just at the market open. Neo is getting weaker every time. There is no big buyer for it. Yeah, after the earnings, it's lost momentum, but might change later on. Yeah, and yeah, APLD looking fantastic. Nice reversal here. A really good reversal. It reversed already almost 50% in 10 days. Yeah, 50% in 10 days. Not bad. The same for B. It reversed already 40% in 10 days. BLRZ, on the other hand, it didn't break, guys, yet. Beyond Meat started to reverse. We have a big buyer for Beyond Meat, guys. Now it's going to the green side. You see, we got a big buyer for it. BLRZ, QBTS, and CYPH. Cardano, I will check it out. I don't like CYBH, man. It's too light on volume. It's a bit risky. QBTS. It's the same. I don't like the technical for it for now. For ADA, for crypto, already have it here. Resistance is the 44 cent, 31 cent is the support bottom. But now, yes, it's going up toward the resistance around the 44. PLRZ is pulling back, guys. Beyond Meat is a bit weaker here. So the only one that look great now is FTEL, Unicorn. It want to break the $2 resistance. B did a fantastic jump at the market open. Fantastic jump for now. However, I think we might get shorted again here. Yeah, around the 100 something. ABLD tested the resistance almost around the $30. Now I'm gonna put the alert here. PLRZ, no breakout. Beyond Meat still near the support. FTEL is about to break here. Watch out for FTEL, guys. Is doing great. And this one, yeah, it was good dip here at the market open. Someone bought the dip for MDB. So yeah, FTEL, guys, looking interesting for a breakout out of the 2. It might do at least 17% here. Yeah, around the 240. So FTEL, guys, we have a big buyer for it around $1.75. Huge buyer bought there. and that's why he's trying to break this little resistance around the 204. Yeah, FTEL guys looking really interesting. Checking if we got another unicorn going on here. We got gold. Gold, ticker symbol gold. Hitting the scan. Let's see. We have two gold. Gold, the real gold, and the other one, where's the company? Interesting, I can't find the gold company. Gold Mining Corporation, its stock, ticker symbol is NEO, TVC. Oh. Interesting. I can't find this stock. I will put the whole name easier. This is weird, guys. I can't find this one. GOLD, gold. It is around the 29. No, not this one. Not that one. This is really weird. Anyway, okay, I can't find this ticker symbol. FTEL pulling back, guys. FTEL is pulling back a little bit. Resistant for BYND is nearly around let me just show you. It was before, it was around the 150 where we tested and we pulled back. Now we have the 174 as a resistance. We got Kasia. What's going on? 6% up. I don't like the technical, brother. It pulled back a lot. We have a huge spike for it, so it is too risky to play. Now there is a resistance around the $11. Yeah, $11 is the current resistance. And if we pull back, I think we might pull back around the haltation price, the 825. But it's too risky play. FTEL, the resistance is $2.03, George. Current support we already tested around the 176. If we held, we might retest the 2 and go toward the 240. PLRZ is still holding the 607 and got halted up, guys. Watch out. PLRZ is halted up around the 718. Let me just check again the halted stocks. PLRZ is halted. We got APTC is halted as well. We got SONN. Kezia got halted as well. EPTC, yes. That was the main one. Gonna double check. Beyond Meat reversal, yes. Let me just check this one first. PLRZ is halted, got resistant around the 8. SONN is halted down, and ABTC is halted up, but it got shorted down. Yeah, this one is got shorted a lot, but it looked good now for reversal. Yeah, it might go up to test the resistance around here, the 237. Yeah, ABTC looking interesting. FTEL guys broke the first support, now it's going to the second support around the 150. Beyond Meat started to squeeze up, guys. Not bad for my opinion right now. Hold over the 126, lowering the resistance for Beyond Meat for now around the 160. Yeah, we're gonna do another update for Beyond Meat if we broke the 160, because now it look like it reversed. PLRZ guys, yes, it's still hold it up. Open, not yet much. Yeah, PLRZ is hold it up. George SMX looking good. Looking great, SMX. I will check. SMX, nope. I think got reverse split as well. Yes, this one I think. Yeah, not good for now, man. I don't like it. I would like it if it broke the 43 or went toward the 25. Not in between. 25.50 would be a great dip, but now it tried to break the current resistance around the 43, but it didn't. So if it broke the 43.36, it would be great. Otherwise, I will not touch it for now. Yeah, B got shorted. ABLD trying as well. So 25. Yeah, support The support is still okay. For plug, looking fantastic. Let me just check here. Yeah, plug is starting to reverse 7% because we are still near the support bottom, the 165. So yeah, currently looking great for a reversal for plug. Are you sick? Yes, a little bit. Last week, but now is the end of the sickness period. That's why I took time off as well yesterday to rest. But I feel good now. My nose is a bit closed, but this I think is flu, so nothing serious. How did you know, Victor? Because nobody noticed except you. Does it mean you are a doctor? Yeah, I ate a lot, man. I ate a lot last few days. Thank you, man. Thank you. FTEL is pulling back now. Tested the 203 and pulling back. Beyond Meat is reversing up. PLRZ, guys, is squeezing up. Technically broke the resistance. Yes, PLRZ looking fantastic, guys, for now. ABTC got shorted down after the haltation, so it's not good. MDB got, yeah, open, not good. So yeah, Beyond Meat is the one for today. Okay, before we go further and discuss Beyond Meat squeeze for December, remember, guys, our content here for educational purposes only. So remember, guys, last Friday and last Wednesday, of course, we did a video update about the imminent breakout and squeeze at the end of this month. It happened on the 1st of December on Monday. We took time off. When I came back on Tuesday today, I saw the squeeze. The squeeze happened while we didn't do the live streaming yesterday, but it happened after this test over this channel. So hopefully you saw our update, guys, that we did for Beyond Meat when we discussed this channel, and we said once we break it, we might have the squeeze. We broke it here on Wednesday, and then Thursday pulled back, or Friday pulled back because Thursday market closed for Thanksgiving. And Friday, we have a little test. Then Monday, we have the squeeze before the market closed by 3 hours. And now it's reversing by testing the 126. So in today's video, guys, we have to discuss where the price will go and are we going to have another squeeze? Because technically, from this dip that we did around the 80 until now, we did almost 100% from the dip around the 88. Because we got major news that hit the market about this CEO Ethan Brown surrendered almost 2,000 shares to the company to cover option exercise costs and tax liabilities. And a lot of people say this is what happened. The squeeze already happened because of that. So it was a good start for this December, for my opinion. And for the technical and the fundamental, it changed a lot. That's why we got the squeeze. And let me just show you guys, we've been in this channel, or we trending down since over 1 month. That's why I saw in the comment from you guys before even the jump that happened on Monday, the last week, many traders say stop talking about Beyond Meat because it's already dead. But we said it's patience game, guys. We didn't do it the first time or second time. We've been doing update and live streaming since 4 years, so we know the game here. Once everybody leave and they think the squeeze will never happen, will happen. And a lot of traders, I think, feeling FOMO right now because we already did 100%. So where we go from now? For now, we got tested around our resistance that we discussed before, the $1.50. We said the $1.50 is the current resistance. So we went until the 160, so this is a fake out, and we went down. So now we have to watch for the main resistance, from my opinion, that we might test is around the 173. The $1.73 should be the first test right now for Beyond Meat to go toward the $2 and almost the $2.50. So now if we jumped there, we might do another 85%. So we did 85% here exactly. So we're missing another 85% from the current price until the $2.50. So how are we gonna anticipate that and see that before it happens? First of all, will be the warning sign that we should never break for Beyond Meat is over the $1.08 and $1.26. So by holding here, we're gonna confirm the buyer that's still holding, and then we're gonna have the squeeze once we break the $1.73 to go up toward the $2.09 and $2.50 before the market close for this year. So if we went until the $2.50, we're gonna be in red in total percentage in the year, but not that bad. It's not down like before, almost 90%. However, if we go toward the $3 over the $3, we end up in green for the yearly performance for Beyond Meat. So it's not bad if you see the yearly performance, as we said before, around the $3. But this might happen because we already have almost 3 weeks or almost 1 month before the end of this year. So let me know in the comment section below, guys, are you seeing Beyond Meat going toward the $3 or at least around the $2 before the end of this month or not? And again, guys, don't forget to update or join us tomorrow for our usual live streaming that we do daily here on our Discord and Patreon and on our live streaming on YouTube. So this is it for now, guys. So we have to wrap up our live streaming for today and our trading session for today. And of course, before we go further and we go for tomorrow, remember, if you are one of our Discord or community and Patreon, we're gonna do update for Beyond Meat. Again, if we broke the support or we broke the resistance, we're gonna do another update for FTEL and PLRZ that's still squeezing up. Those are the main 3 stocks that we have to watch for today. So I'm gonna update the chart here on the unicorn hunt later on. So stay tuned for major update. As you can see here, we do every time. Mini stocks, one of the stocks that we did really great for last month is AEHL, once we broke the $2.34. And the other one that it was fantastic play for our hunters was, I think, Olma, yes, will squeeze a lot, SGPX, yes. So the link comment section below, guys, for our Discord and Patreon. And in the meantime, stay blessed and see you all back by tomorrow, guys, 30 minutes before the market open or around 9 a.m. Eastern time. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in a bit.